Please make sure the product is well sealed. Take out the disposable product. Power on. Set the video source to standard definition. Insert the converter into the groove of the video cable interface of the image processor. Insert the plug that comes with the endoscope into the video converter. Push the angulation control knob at the operation part upwards. The front end of the insertion part is bent backwards. Push the angulations control knob of operation part downward. The front end of the insertion part is bent forward. Button 1 is the camera button. Button 2 is the dimming or freezing function button. Interventional instrument operation channel. Switch endoscope. Unplug the endoscope connector. Plug the endoscope connector into the video converter and socket. Unplug the video cable. Change the mode to HD mode on the image processor. Insert the endoscope connector into the video converter and socket. Insert the video cable into the VS100 image processor. VS610 connects the power cord and turns on. Insert the converter box into the groove of the video cable interface of the image processor. The plug that comes with the endoscope is inserted into the video converter box. Switching endoscope and switching HD mode are the same as VS100 image processor.